Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S8 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card in the device. So to get started, let's navigate into the settings. From here, scroll down to device well-being and parental control. Oh, where is it? Ah, there we go. Battery and the device care, one below that. So from here you will see you have your storage right here. You can tap on it and you'll have two pages that you can flip through. You have the internal storage, which is obviously the storage of the device, but on the second page we have the SD card. And in here, all you need to do is tap on these three dots right over here and then select format. Everything on the SD card will be erased, so make sure be aware of that. If you want to keep something from the SD card, some photos, music, anything like that, do make a copy of it beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, click on format. This will immediately begin the process and it should be finished right about now. There we go. As you can see, SD card formatted, and we're now finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.